Recipe: baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, about 150 grams each, 2 carrots, 1 zucchini, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 red onion, 2 tomatoes, 4 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, fresh chopped herbs, such as parsley, dill, or thyme, for garnish. Instructions: preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. On a large baking tray, place the carrots, zucchini, bell peppers, onion, and tomatoes. Sprinkle minced garlic over the vegetables and drizzle with olive oil. Toss well to ensure the vegetables are evenly coated with oil and seasonings. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20-25 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and slightly golden. Meanwhile, place the salmon fillets on a baking tray lined with aluminum foil or parchment paper. Squeeze lemon juice over the salmon and season with salt and pepper to taste. Once the vegetables are ready, remove the baking tray from the oven and place the salmon fillets on the same tray, nestled among the roasted vegetables. Return the tray to the oven and bake for an additional 12-15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Remove from the oven and serve the baked salmon with the roasted vegetables. Garnish with fresh chopped herbs before serving. Enjoy this delicious and healthy baked salmon with roasted vegetables. This dish is rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential nutrients, making it an excellent choice for a nutritious and satisfying meal. For more recipes, follow us.